Hi. The human population will be 7,236,560,894 on May 16th, 2016 at 8 o'clock, which is today. And have you ever felt crowded? Well, many people in the world have. And if I had to give advice to the most populous country, I would say, come on, people, is it really that hard to keep your legs closed? Now, let's start at the beginning. Like many species that are already extinct, they maxed out at a population of 20 billion. The human population took 120,000 years to reach 1 billion. Then all we needed was another 206 years to reach 7 billion. And that's a big difference. And about mid-century, we will reach 9 billion. And by 2100, we will reach 10 billion. And the population is increasing every day. Now, this chart here shows from 1750 to 1900, it slowly increased, which is good, so that the population wasn't too big. But at 1950, between 1952, that's when it started to dramatically increase, and that later on will cause a lot of problems. And now, let's figure out what country has the largest number for population. And the top 10 most populous countries are: number 1, China, at 1,373,541,278. Number 2, which is India, at 1,266,883,598. Number 3 is us, the United States, at 323,995,528. Number 4 is Indonesia, at 258,316,051. Number 5 is Brazil, at 205,823,665. Number 6 is Pakistan at 201,995,540. Number 7 is Nigeria at 186,053,386. Number 8 is Bangladesh at 171,696,855. Number 9 is Russia at 142,355,415. The last one, number 10, is Japan at 126,702,133. And now, the top least populous countries are: number 1, which is Vatican City at 801. Number 2 is Tokyo at 1,276. Number 3 is Niue at 1,612. Number 4 is the Falkland Islands at 2,912. Number 5 is St. Helena at 3,956. Number 6 is Montserrat at 5,154. And number 7 is St. Pierre and Miquelon at 6,301. And number 8 is Tuvalu at 9,943. Number 9 is Nauru at 10,263. And the last one is 10,000, which is number 10 at Wallis and Futuna at 13,110. Wallis and Futuna at 13,112. And now, as you can see, China and India are the most populous countries, as we mentioned earlier. And what they both have in common is that they both have more than 1 billion as a population. And now, Now, there is a birth every 8 seconds, one death every 13 seconds, one migrant every 29 seconds. And scientists are questioning, how do we solve this problem? Well, my take on it is that the most populous countries should do what China is doing. They should make a law. Only one child per couple/parent. And the scientists have figured out 5 ways to solve this problem. The 5 solutions are shifting, urbanization, water wars, future energy, and mass extinctions. The human population is getting larger every day. We need to put a stop to this before something life-changing happens to the world. I think we should use the 5 solutions and the one-child policy. Now, if the human population gets larger faster, then what drastic measures will we have to take that we don't want to do to help keep the population down? That's something you should think about. And my name is Olivia Collins, and thank you.